The news update. Bishop Feyi, who said Tinubus will not be sworn in on the 29th of May, has been arrested, Azari Dokubo says. Welcome to today's news, and thank you for tuning in to the news. But you can as well subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell for more updates. Now to the news details. Please listen carefully. With barely 40 days to the swearing-in ceremony of the All Progressives Congress APC flag bearer, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubus, as Nigeria's 16th Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic, the King of Kalabiri, Alhaji Azari Mujahid Dokubo, has come out to reveal that Bishop Feyi, who said Bola Ahmed Tinubus will not be sworn in on the 29th of May, has been arrested. Azari Dokubo made the statements during his Facebook live broadcasts few hours ago. Quoting Azari Dokubo's original statements during the Facebook live broadcasts, he said, "There was a clergyman named Bishop Feyi who even declared Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubus would not be sworn in on the 29th of May. Even more shame will fall upon him. It came to my attention that he had been apprehended for criminal activity." Azari Dokubo is so happy that one of those who prophesied that Tinubus will be arrested on the inauguration day has been arrested, and he said more shame will continue to be upon him because he was actually arrested for criminal offense. The presiding bishop of Lagos-based Irene Christian Ministry, Daniel Feyi Oluwafeyi-Ropo, has been remanded in Kirikiri Correctional Center following his arraignment over alleged rape of two members of his church. Oluwafeyi-Ropo was arraigned before Justice Ramon Oshodi of Ikeja Sexual Offences and Domestic Violence Courts. The pastor had earlier been arraigned on a 2-count charge bordering on rape and pleaded not guilty to the charges. He allegedly committed the offences in June 2020 at Ikota Villa Estates, Lekki, Lagos. According to the prosecution, the alleged offences contravened Section 260, subsection 2 of the Criminal Laws of Lagos State, 2015. Oshodi admitted the defendants to 20 million naira bail with 2 sureties in like sum. He said one of the sureties must be owner of a landed property in Lagos, and the property must be enough to cover the bail sum. The original document of the landed property must be submitted to the Chief Registrar of Lagos State. The sureties must reside within the court's jurisdiction and must have 3 years tax payments to the Lagos State, the judge said. He also ordered the defendants to deposit his international passport with the Chief Registrar of the courts and ordered an accelerated hearing of the case. Earlier, the defense counsel, Mr. Olukunle Oyewole, while moving his bail application dated April 10, urged the courts to grant the defendant's bail on liberal terms. "My lord, the defendant was not informed on the day the matter came up for the first time before this court. The defendant is a well-known religious leader and he has shown by his action that he will not jump bail. The offense for which he is charged with is a bailable offense, and he has credible sureties that can stand for him. The state's lead prosecution counsel, Mr. Babajide Boye, in his counter affidavit dated April 14, urged the court to refuse the bail application of the defendants, but left it at the discretion of the courts. Boye argued that the offences were a serious one, and the likelihood of a conviction might make the defendant a flight risk. He is a bishop of so many branches, and if granted bail, he may use his position to influence the prosecution witnesses, as he is regarded as a man of authority who has the possibility of committing same crime. Recall that Oluwafemi had in February prophesied that all Progressives Congress APC candidates, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, would be declared winner of the presidential election, adding that Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi will cry for some time. The cleric, however, said Tinubu would be arrested on the day of his inauguration on May 29, while Obi would later be declared winner of the presidential election. And now he has been arrested for criminal offense. We have come to the end of the news. What's your view? Do share your comments in the comment section. Thank you.